Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this beautiful pattern. You can use it when you want to crochet blankets, scarf, bags, or sweater, etc. It's easy enough for a beginner. Let's start now. Here we use 5-ply milk cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook. Make a knot first, then make 3 chains. Then yarn over. Insert into the first back bump. Pull yarn. And pull yarn through the first loop. Next, pull yarn through 2 loops. And pull yarn through the last 2 loops. That's the first and second stitch. We use this special way to make foundation. Mark the first stitch. Next, insert into the bottom of the second stitch. Pull yarn. Next, pull yarn through the first loop. Next, pull yarn through 2 loops. Then pull yarn through the last 2 loops. That's the third stitch. We repeat like that to make the foundation. Here we get 32 stitches. Next, the second row, insert hook into these 2 loops to change yarn. We change yarn here. Turn the work. We go to the second row. Make a single crochet into the bottom. And make a single crochet into the bottom again. We take it as the first double crochet. Skip next stitch. Next, a double crochet. Chain 1. Make another double crochet into this stitch. Next, skip 1. Next, a double crochet. Repeat to the end. Next, the third row. We change yarn here. Turn the work. 1 single crochet. Here another single crochet. Take them as the first double crochet. Next, chain 1 first. Into this space, we make for unfinished double crochet. Please watch the video carefully. Here are 5 loops on the hook. Pull yarn through all the loops together. It's the first bud. Chain 2, go to next space. Repeat to make the second bud. Here we get 2 buds. Repeat to the end. At last, 1 double crochet. Here we go. Change yarn again. Turn the work. Make 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet more. Take them as the first double crochet. 1 double crochet into this space. 3 double crochet into next space. Repeat like that, 3 double crochet into every space. Turn the work. Next the 5th row. All double crochet 1 by 1. Next, the 6th and 7th row. Same with the 5th row. Double crochet 1 by 1. It's the last stitch of the 7th row. Change yarn here. Turn the work. Next's the 8th row. We repeat from the 2nd row to the 7th row. Here we get a little simple. We can border the 4 edges with single crochet stitches. we get this little, simple, thanks for your company.